Eh, dead race.
Talagang first time ko pa lang dito maglaro.
Patay ko na ulit.
Kaya nga, patay na agad tayo. Naglalag ako. Pero kanina hindi naman.
Bumili ka na agad.
Kukuhain na natin agad to.
Ano mo pa rin ko? Ayun na, mga... Sniper!
Mga ano to? Drag. Pwede ba itong Pwede ba itong manakaw? Magano to? Drop. Ano ba ito mo? Ito lang mo. Ito lang mo. Rifle lang. Alis. Drag. Alis na yan. Nawala yung rifle. Pumunta sa backrooms. Okay. Ah!
Shotgun lang talaga.
Shotgun talaga. What the heck is going on?
Naglalakad ba yan?
God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Napakabubo natin men maglaro. Sige na. Lumabas ka na.
Umulutang.
Sinasaniban ba ang shotgun? Ayun. Napunta sa labas. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sarap patayin
Okay.
mga shotgun.
Last try. Okay, thank you very much. This is now mine. Unlimited. Ano ba to? Oh,
Wala
no.
ko na pera.
Revolver ammo. Shotgun. Magano to? Wala na tayong ano para dyan.
Money.
Kailangan ko na itong ano kasi. Trap. Sige. Sayang. Daily news, I don't care.
Harangan mo pa sa gabi. Diretso ano ko agad.
Fuel yun boy, fuel. Hindi yun gamit pang harang. Harangan ng mga zombie. Punitin niya ng mga zombie. At
Hindi na po pulit ba?
newspaper? Bakal? Saan ka niya nakakita?
Tingnan ko dito.
Ay, nagsak din din. Ay, isang gun. Ayun o. Nandun sa taas. Kung pwede lang dito magnakaw eh.
Bawal mo nga ako dyan.
Ano nga. Nag-practice pa naman ko. Kakalaro ng robbery bag. Pony ba yun? Pony ba yun? Sayang yan. May bandit. May bandit. There's a bandit camp over here. We're gonna be checking them out because they're all gay.
May zombie. May camp.
Camp to ng mga bandit eh.
Yung mga dito.
Ano to? Oh. Okay. Do we need that?
Yan. Let's go. Kaya mo yan.
Let's go! Shotgun shells! Finally bro, finally. Another shotgun. We don't need that anymore because we already have one. Oh shit, it's a mouser bro. Crystal. Ammo. Revolver. And I don't know. Oh yep, kailangan natin to. Metal sheet. Alis na tayo dito agad. Ang store. Anong ginagawa ko? Dito pa dito tumakbo, parang bang...
Ano yung ano mo? Gun.
Ito. Dito pa ako ditong tumakbo, para ako naglalakad na bagong tuli.
Hindi kasi yung gun. Wag nga.
Huwag mo, sasayang tayo ng bala, ano ka ba?
Yung gun yung kinuha mo doon.
Di ko yung kinuha, wala yung kwenta.
Hindi mo nilagay yun. Sayang eh. Protection mo.
Ito i-weld. Yan. Ano ba to? Oh gosh! Oh no, mawawala na tayo ng fuel. Mawawala na tayo ng fuel, gabi pa naman. Pakyo kayo. And wala na tayong fuel. Nice! Nice!
Diyan ka lang.
Drop. Patay tayo dito, boy, sigurado. Brightness. Wala akong makita, men. Kahit naka-brightness. May nakikita kayo? May nakikita kayo?
Wala.
Pareho ano to?
Tayo, itaas mo, taas mo.
Ulit. Ah! Get away! Paano ka pabuhay? Wala talaga akong makita, boy. Ano to?
Hoy, zombie! Yung blue. Ay, para may fuel.
Oh, okay. Come here.
Kung may zombie, para may
Stupid motherfucker. Corpse. Pili pala ito magamit fuel. What? Mamamatay na tayo. Mamamatay tayo. Mamamatay tayo, boy. I'm getting the heck out of here. You won't go for... Where are you, stupid nig? I dare you. I double dare you, bro.
Hindi ako matay ako naman.
Get your ass over here. Wala nang fuel. Nice. One hit tayo dito. Nice. Okay, let's go. We survive. We absolute. Oh, what the heck? We survive. Asto. Kailangan natin ito. Paano ba ito welding? Wala akong skills para mag-weld. Ito. Okay, let's go. Ito. 5 wire. Men, saan ka ito lalagay? Dito. Get away. I know I'm gonna survive for long. What the heck is this? Oh, the cured ammo. Get in there. How do I do this? How do I... Dude, can anyone help me with this, bro? Can anyone help me with this? Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. Drop. Do we just have to leave that in there? What's this? Okay. Let's go in that house. Oh, we're healing, bro. We're healing. Is that zombie inside there? Sure. Not gonna lie, this is my first time playing this game. Got a mouse set. Anyone in this house by any chance? Nope. Get over here. Sexy statue. Here, what is this? Junk? We don't need that. What's this? What's in here? Nothing here. Where's the sun? Still up there. Are those zombies? Oh no, they're just cactus. I suck at this, bro. I suck. God damn it. Singing Sigma. Okay, let's move. We're gonna stop by this house. It looks like it's burning. I think someone's cooking in here and they just turned into zombies. Not getting any close. Oh no, oh no. The heck? Oh. What's this? And why did I come here? Nothing in here. Pasok! Let's go. Gagabi na. Oh, there's a fan. Check that out. Let's get ready to rumble. What the heck? Hurry up. We are good. I'm telling you. Stupid. Let's go. We don't have time for that. Oh, there's a... What's that? Over there. I'm only allowed to make 2 minutes video. Thanks for watching, guys.